Okay, so these notes are over solving radicals. It's going to be pretty simple. So here, I have the square root of x minus 8, and that equals 6. So, to solve for x, since our radical is all alone, we're going to square both sides. So x minus 8 equals 6 squared is 36. And then you're going to add 8 to each side. So we get that x equals 44. Pretty simple. The key here, though, is you have to have your radical completely alone before you square both sides. Next up, I have the square root of x plus 5 plus 8 equals 22. So my radical is not alone right now, so I'm going to have to get it alone. So to get it alone, I'm going to subtract 8 from each side. So the square root of x plus 5 equals 22 minus 8 is 14. Now that our radical is alone, we're going to be able to square both sides. So I'm squaring each side, so I'm left with x plus 5 equals, and then 14 squared is 196. And then I can subtract 5 to solve for x, and I get that x equals 191. And then my last example, I have 3 times the square root of x plus 1 minus 9 equals 9. So I need to work to get my radical alone. And my first step in getting my radical alone is I need to add 9 to each side. So I have 3 times the square root of 5x plus 1 equals 9 plus 9 is 18. Now I can divide both sides by 3, so I have the square root of 5x plus 1, and that equals 6. And now I can get my radical out of the picture by squaring both sides. So I get 5x plus 1 equals 6 squared is 36. And now I need to solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 1, and I get that 5x equals 35. Divide by 5, and I get that x equals 7. And that is it for day 1 of solving radicals. Pretty quick and easy.